Imagine if you could ease your menstrual pain without reaching for a pill every time. Today we're diving into why your body hurts during your period and exploring simple, natural ways to feel better. Menstrual pain is something most people who menstruate have dealt with at one point. Whether it's a dull ache in your lower back, cramps in your abdomen, or even headaches, these pains can really disrupt your day. The struggle is real. You're trying to work, hang out with friends, or just relax, and your body feels like it's fighting back. You might have tried over-the-counter painkillers, but what if there were natural alternatives that could help reduce the pain? The problem is more than just discomfort. It affects your mood, energy, and overall quality of life. And it's not just all in your head. Research shows that menstrual pain, or dysmenorrhea, is caused by a mix of factors including hormonal changes, inflammation, and muscle contractions in the uterus. Understanding what's behind the pain is the first step to managing it better. Today, we're breaking down the causes of menstrual pain and sharing some of the best home remedies backed by research and real-life stories. Let's start with the basics. During your menstrual cycle, your body produces a hormone called prostaglandin. This hormone helps your uterus contract to shed its lining, but high levels of prostaglandin can cause stronger, more painful contractions. These contractions can lead to muscle spasms, cramps, and even nausea or dizziness. Studies have shown that women with higher levels of prostaglandin often report more severe pain during menstruation. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology Research highlighted that prostaglandin inhibitors can reduce menstrual pain, which is why drugs like ibuprofen can be effective. But if you're looking for non-pharmaceutical options, there are several natural remedies that can help modulate these effects. One of the simplest home remedies is heat. Applying heat to your lower abdomen can help relax the muscles and reduce cramps. A study from the American Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology found that using a heat patch was as effective as taking ibuprofen for menstrual pain relief in some cases. You don't necessarily need a fancy device. A hot water bottle, a warm towel, or even a heating pad can work wonders. Think of it like a mini spa treatment for your uterus. Imagine coming home after a long day, wrapping yourself in a warm blanket, and feeling the tension melt away. It's a simple yet powerful way to soothe cramps naturally. Herbal teas can be a game changer. Ginger tea, for instance, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger helps reduce the production of inflammatory compounds in your body, which can help lessen the pain. A small study from evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine found that ginger significantly reduced menstrual pain when taken at the start of the cycle. Chamomile tea is another great option. Not only does it help with relaxation, but its anti-inflammatory effects can ease cramps. If you're feeling a bit overwhelmed during your period, a cup of chamomile tea might be just what you need to calm your nerves and ease the pain. In addition to teas, consider adding anti-inflammatory foods to your diet. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds can help reduce inflammation. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, are packed with magnesium, which can help relax your muscles and ease cramps. Even a small change in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel during your period. It might seem counterintuitive to exercise when you're in pain, but light physical activity can actually help. Gentle activities like walking, yoga, or even stretching can increase blood flow and reduce muscle tension, which helps relieve cramps. Research published in the Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation suggests that regular, moderate exercise can decrease the severity of menstrual pain over time. I remember a friend who swore by yoga during her period. She'd do a short 15-minute routine focusing on gentle stretches and deep breathing. Over time, she noticed that her cramps were less intense, and she even felt more energized throughout the day. It doesn't have to be a rigorous workout. Just moving your body in a way that feels good can make a noticeable difference. Aromatherapy is another home remedy that has shown promise in easing menstrual pain. Essential oils like lavender, clary sage, and peppermint can be used in a diffuser or applied topically when diluted with a carrier oil to help relieve pain. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that women who used lavender oil massage experienced a reduction in menstrual pain compared to those who didn't. For a simple approach, try mixing a few drops of clary sage or lavender oil with a tablespoon of coconut oil and gently massage your lower abdomen. The act of massaging not only helps relieve muscle tension, but also releases endorphins, your body's natural painkillers. There's growing interest in how vitamins and minerals can play a role in reducing menstrual pain. For instance, vitamin B1, thiamine, and magnesium have been studied for their potential to ease cramps. A small study published in the Journal of Pain Research showed that magnesium supplementation could help reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps for some women. While more research is needed to make definitive claims, many women have reported benefits from taking these supplements. As with any supplement, it's a good idea to talk with your healthcare provider before starting something new. But if you're looking for an extra boost during your period, a daily multivitamin or a magnesium supplement might be worth considering. Stress can amplify pain, including menstrual cramps. That's why practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and even progressive muscle relaxation can be beneficial. A study in the Journal of Psychosomatic Obstetrics and Gynecology found that mindfulness and relaxation techniques can help reduce the perception of pain during menstruation. Imagine sitting in a quiet room, taking slow, deep breaths, and focusing on relaxing each muscle group one by one. Even spending just 5 to 10 minutes on this can help calm your mind and, in turn, ease your physical discomfort. It's not about curing the pain instantly, but giving your body a moment to reset and respond better. Let me share a quick story. Lisa, a 28-year-old graphic designer, struggled with severe menstrual cramps that often forced her to miss work. After years of relying on over-the-counter medications and still not getting relief, she decided to try a more natural approach. She combined heat therapy with herbal teas, a bit of yoga, and even started taking a magnesium supplement after discussing it with her doctor. Within a couple of months, Lisa noticed a significant decrease in her pain levels. She wasn't saying her cramps were completely gone, but she could manage her symptoms better and even maintain her daily routines without feeling overwhelmed. Lisa's story isn't unique. Many women have found success by mixing and matching these home remedies. So, what does a natural approach to easing menstrual pain look like? Here's a quick rundown. Start with heat therapy. Use a heating pad or hot water bottle for 15 to 20 minutes on your lower abdomen. Sip on herbal teas. Try ginger or chamomile tea during the early days of your period. Incorporate gentle exercise. Consider light yoga or a brisk walk to keep your blood flowing. Experiment with essential oils. Diluted lavender or clary sage oil applied as a massage can work wonders. Look into supplements. Talk with your doctor about adding magnesium or vitamin B1 to your routine. Relax your mind. Use deep breathing or meditation techniques to help manage stress and pain. It's all about finding what works best for your body. Not every remedy will work for everyone, but by trying a few different approaches, you can create a personalized plan that eases your pain naturally. To sum it up, menstrual pain is a complex issue influenced by hormones, inflammation, and muscle contractions. While over-the-counter medications can help, there are plenty of natural remedies worth trying. Heat therapy, herbal teas, light exercise, essential oils, and even dietary supplements can all play a role in reducing discomfort. Remember, it might take some trial and error to find the right combination for you, but even small changes can lead to big improvements in how you feel during your period. Taking control of your menstrual health is all about understanding your body and giving it the care it needs. Whether it's a warm cup of ginger tea or a few minutes of deep breathing, these simple steps can help make those challenging days a bit easier. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community for more easy, natural health tips. And if you try any of these remedies, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what works for you. Thanks for watching.